welcome back to this channel. So this week's video is gonna be just a lot of food. There's no such thing as too much cheese. That's a lot of French toast. A massive bowl of soup. They're like talking shit about me.
You said you wanted a salad for dinner. Now you get a salad for dinner.
Thank you. We have a situation right now. Well, I have been filming what I've been eating for the week. I feel like people always have an impression that I have a certain diet, but I don't. For me, it's all about having the balanced diet, a good combination of wholesome food. And it's a lot easier now since my sister's been back and I've been cooking a lot more, which is really nice. And I feel like I've been more motivated to make more food because there's someone to share with me. So yeah, this is what I eat in a week. So what we have here today is some fresh passion fruit. And I'm feeling French toast, so I'm gonna make a savoury and sweet version. We have this person just chilling over there and not really helping.
I'm working!
So I'm gonna make a refreshing drink, passion fruit and Manuka honey. I really absolutely love this. I've been drinking this a lot since I got COVID, and yeah, it actually really helps like with the throat. You can get this in BHB Health. Smell of passion fruit. First, I'm going to make the savory batter. Just gonna put 2 eggs. 2 or 3, and then I have some spices, so I'm gonna use garam masala, just a little bit for flavor, some salt, not too much, cheese stash. I have some pecorino here, so I'm gonna finish them before they expire. How cheesy do you want it to be? Normal amount of cheesy? There's no such thing as too much cheese. And then I have a handful of spring onions. Dump this inside. This will be the savory batter. I'm gonna set aside. It's gonna make a sweet one. It's gonna be the sweet version. Eggs. We eat a lot of eggs actually. Dash of milk, a little salt. So the honey comes later. Vanilla extract. Smells great. Just like it. Oops. A lot of French toast.
It's like a cross between roti canai and songyoping.
Yeah.
You know? and French toast.
Got all the elements. What's this? Miso, carrots, spinach, pork, mushrooms. So hearty. Yum. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is like a massive bowl of soup. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Huh. It's like everything healthy in a pot.
Like, she went to a lawyer, and she said, like, this person has not been paying me in litigation.
Ew. Look, it's perfect avocado. Wow. I think we should use one avocado first. My guac is done. I'm gonna make a salsa. Chopped tomatoes, some onions, cilantro. Where is the cilantro? It's over here. Yum, yum. So it's Friday night,
Oh shit.
and we are.
Hungry.
I'm not me, but yeah, Chef Kai is
We are hungry.
whipping up something in the kitchen. What's in the oven?
Bone marrow.
Oh, we have bone marrow today. That's it, and some fish. So here's my toaster, guys. A toaster. I got this from Hay, by the way. It's yellow.
It's a really long toaster.
Oh my god, so cute.
Ooh, very nice. Trick is always just be ready. Just pretend like she's always holding.
I'm literally right here. They're like talking shit about me. You don't have to eavesdropping, right? That's all for my toaster unboxing. Please excuse the background noise. Chef is still working very hard, but we already have some. This is a mountain of bread.
Yum.
Yums. And then we have some bone marrow over here. Some cabbage and mushrooms. Some tenderloin over there, requested by this young lady over here.
If you added sugar, it'll be
Today for breakfast is cold ground cashew butter. This is by the Good Fat Company. Just a quick one. So just some bread. Oh, and I love this. This yogurt is like so good. It comes with aloe vera pulps. So I have some leftover salmon from last night and fried it. I think I'm gonna make ochazuke just cause I am feeling it. Got furikake. This is, I think it's wasabi with seaweed. And yeah, I'm gonna make the stock right now. Food in the bowl. Yum. Some protein, brown rice, vegetables. Do the happy food dance. Tonight's dinner is what are you making for dinner?
Prawn, avocado, and corn salad.
Prawn, avocado, and what?
Prawn salad.
Prawn, avocado, and corn salad. It's so nice to not having to cook. This is like a full main.
Yeah. You said you wanted a salad for dinner. Now you're getting a salad for dinner.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Garlic oil. This is the soup base. Anchovy stock that I made like a couple months. Not a couple months, like a month ago. I froze it so I can use it for the stock. Here I have my sous chef.
Shucking corn.
Not making, but yeah. He's just prepping some corn on the side.
Hi! Oh my
Hi! Oh my god. Are you like moving in?
I know. I feel like I'm moving in. I got a lot of shit, man.
I know.
I brought a lot of shit. I'm so thankful. I have the fire. So I don't have to bring the stove. Yeah, hi y'all.
Guys, we have a situation right now. A hot pot emergency.
Wait,
We can go to DIY and get it. Someone should just sponsor you, so. Let's have, what's it called? Bean curd, right? But this is the front one. The rolled bean curd. Some yi mein. Oh, we have a sauce station here.
Sauce station.
And then some veg. More veg. I wanted fish ball, and there's quail eggs because of her.
What are you doing?
好吃。好吃吗
Good.
耶！
bone marrow. Because basically the reason why we have two is because we're trying different bone marrows from different suppliers.